Welcome to Smell. This video will show you how to install and use your gas leak kitchen mate. We show you what's in the box, installation, and powering it up. Your box contains Smell, its power adapter, screws and wall plugs, operation instruction, mounting guide, and warranty card. Let's get started. You will need installation guide, pencil, screwdriver, measure tape, screws and wall plugs, and drill machine. Locate Smell, ideally within 1 meter length, from your cooking range, at a height of about 3 feet. Place the mounting guide and mark at the drill spots using a pencil. Drill 2 holes at marked spots and place the wall plugs in them. Now fold the mounting guide as shown, and tighten the screws to match the screw length on the guide. That's it, your Smell is now ready for power up. Plug in the adapter and switch it on. Smell welcomes you with a beep and the ring will now wake up green, then conducts a self-test in circular red pattern. This is followed with purple ring flashes, indicating its sophisticated sensors are stabilizing for about 90 seconds. You are almost finished. Once ready, you will hear a beep and the confidence ring will flash green. That's all there is to it. Smell completes your kitchen.